That waterfall is fierce. Holy hell, the spray and the sound is so loud. There's funny people that are just not prepared for this at all. I look at the shoe. Fucking hell. Just twisted the foot. All of a sudden I got this constructed bath. You could almost sit on a little raft. So there could have been a bit of a landslip on the side of that wall. Wow. There's a bit of a caving net behind it. I hope you enjoyed. Going people, today we're off to the first waterfall of the morning, which is Tukad Cepung, which is, we're kind of near Ubud. This crazy temple. Great weather, blue sky, a bit of cloud and no rain. This one's a pretty popular one, so we're trying to do it early. It's 10 to 9, so see many people are here. So far there's like 6 scooters, so we'll see. Let's get at it. Okay, walk down this path. So they gave me a little ticket back there we park, but that's not actually where you pay, which is strange. Hills here, these rocks are made of concrete to be fake rocks. So weird. Why wouldn't you just get real rocks? Okay, so we've got our official ticket now. Yay! Officiality. This is actually one of the most official looking tickets I've got out of all of them. Like full printed colour, laminate, nearly glossy. Okay. Down the track we go. Down into the gorge, people. There's some little cafe things down here. Okay, you need the water. This looks good. I don't think there'll be a lot of people. It is early, so could have been. Land of many steps. Roosters crowing in the background. Small little warungs. Water is pumping through here. Wow. Waterfalls that way. The rented towel. Spillway. Not a lot of flow on it, but flow is pumping through here. You could almost sit on a little raft. It'd be sick, float along. Actually about to jump, or without jump you can go around I guess. Okay, I thought that was a bit weird. Make people jump. This thing is pumping, I can hear it raging water. They're trying to divert the water from here, that's interesting. This is... Okay, the water's coming down. It's a little cascade thing, it's freaking loud. Holy hell. Oh, I don't know if that's man-made, I think it might be. It could be a landslip on the side of that wall. It's a broken iron. We can use a torch for 5 kronas. Waterfall's down here, so I did have that first so-called waterfall marked on the map, so I don't know if we can quick hop back to it or to swim. We're going to the waterfall cave now, which is different. On this mark there's another one, Minor Waterfall. This is a pretty dark little hole. Wow. Looks like you are creek hopping. I hope you don't have to get too wet. We'll find out. I'll probably hang on because I had steps like this yesterday that looked like they weren't slippery and they were bloody slippery. It is a cave, that's wild. Looks like you can walk through it pretty easily, so so far so good. It's telling you the main waterfall's left, yeah. The cave is right. Okay. This is sick actually. Look at the songs. Wow. There's actually a little restaurant down there. You're kidding me. Only place in the world I've seen a restaurant near a waterfall. Literally. This is sick. Let's go left first. Random little dark trib thing here. Huh. Kind of cool. Across the water. There's a restaurant. It says cave that way. I think that way. Okay. Did we have to swim through this? It's a bit strange. Well, let's jump back. Why couldn't I just walk that way? That was weird. Water's a little deep, not bad. Temperature is not bad. Actually, it's a little bit cold, but it's not unbearable. Water's getting deeper. Look at this sick cave. Crazy. That waterfall is fierce. Holy hell, the spray and the sound is so loud. Holy hell. Let's try and get in closer. It's ridiculous. I don't think I've ever heard a loudest waterfall in my life. What the hell, man? Wow. Look at this. Can't even keep the camera clean. Holy hell, man. That's insane. It's funny people that are just not prepared for this at all. Like they got their shoes, they left it in a little row. They're walking through the water like they're friggin' walking through, I don't know, the most hectic water of their life. But yeah, it's got some flowing. Yeah, it's a bit fast flowing, but I mean, they don't do rock hops clearly. Anyway, that was wild. Let's get to the other one. Oh, fucking hell. Just twisted the foot. Look at this crazy cave hole. All of a sudden I got this constructed bath. It's just so random. Trib running on the right, this one here. I don't know where that water comes from, but yeah. I think that's kind of a cave hidden there. Let's just see. Alright, it's down at the bottom. There we go. There's the other one. That's sick. Wow. It still says waterfall downstream. Okay, well, we'll see. There's some stairs coming down there too. Just notice this other hole must join through. That's grouse. So this is called the Waterfall Cave, and the waterfall that's a bit further on. The third one is just called Minor Waterfall. It's dark in here. Wow. Holy hell. This is a grotto and a half, people. Wow. It's pitch black, you can't even see. There you go. Let's put some light, because that is just ridiculous. Light doesn't do very much for you, people. The old phone is only so good. Wow. Look at that opening. Interesting. There's definitely some cool formations. Okay, so the flow is getting trapped up the side through there. That's kind of interesting. In the back there, there's just a little chasm. Whoa! Wow. There's a hole up there. That's wild. How cool is that? Behind the flow, technically. Kind of. Let's go look at the water. Oh, I have to go back with one shoe. Okay, looks like I have to crouch for here. Hopefully not too deep. Otherwise, I can probably climb for the bamboo there. Let's just do that. Make our lives just that 1% easier. Up and around. And go back in again. Sweet. Oh, geez, man. Trib waterfalls just look like new construction. They're gonna concrete it. It's pretty sick, this little canyon. This wall is like just beautiful. It's just leaking water all the way along. Trip, trip, trip. Wow. So yeah, this one was 30,000, which is $3 people. Not too bad, I guess, one for each waterfall. There's a cave there. That's an old bamboo bridge. Looks like maybe the old way you had to like full creek off it. And we decided let's just cut a track because it was easy for people. There's another bridge down here. Crazy. Driving it. Wow. Look at that. Oh. So it's just all volcanic rock, eh? Another trib dropping in, dribbling away. I don't think anyone's down this end. Wow. Still shallow enough, but this is almost like Blue Mountains Canyon where it's got shallow water and these big sandstone sides. Except Blue Mountain doesn't have coconuts. Okay, on we go. It's not too much further. It's pretty grouse, but there's the waterfall. It looks good. Minor Waterfall. It's better than the cave actually. Well, the second cave. Let's put it, wow. There's a bit of a cave inlet behind it. Apparently I'm already past so-called Minor Waterfall, but there's another little one. You probably could keep going. There's actually goes to a road, but we won't bother. Oh, there's another one just there. There's a lot of tribs. What are we doing with this? Well, off track definitely is harder for this last one, but you can just see it on course. It's pretty hectic. Hectic to get here. Should almost just creek top down there. Alright, just trying to jump back in the creek there, but it's super deep, so we'll just down that last trib. Let's head on back out. We'll see if we look at that little cave behind the bar, see if it's worth it. I hope you enjoyed this little journey, guys. This is number 16 for the Bali list. And feel free to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get notified of all the newest adventures. Catch you guys in the next one, eh? Peace out. Cave wasn't very big. The water just running straight off the wall. Awesome.
Yeah, Tukad Cepung Waterfall means that Tukad is a river, Cepung is deep. So
Deep River Falls.
Deep River Falls.
Thank you for that, Christo. Tukad Cepung.
Yeah,
Tukad Cepung. Cepung.
Cepung.
Cepung.